Yeah.
Yeah? Hi guys, it's Lisa, Chef Wannabe. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How's everybody doing today? Hope you're doing good. Today, we have my son, Robby. Say hi, babe.
Hey. Hey, babe.
I was hoping you were going to say that. I love that. Okay, so today we're having some fancy-ass steak, you guys. It is Wagyu beef, all the way from Calgary, Alberta. Have you had Wagyu before?
No.
No? Okay.
Wagyu?
Yeah.
Wagyu?
Wagyu? I don't even know if I'm saying it right.
Wagyu?
Wagyu? Wagyu? Wagyu? Wagyu?
Wag.
Wagyu.
Wag.
Okay, so we're going to be frying it up here. This is a cast iron skillet that I have. So we're going to turn it on now, and we're going to turn the heat relatively high because you're supposed to do that.
Where's your little cast iron butter bowl?
I know, isn't that cute? It's like a witch's pot. A cauldron. I ordered it online. I actually thought it was going to be like this big, but you know how that goes when you order stuff online.
Yeah, kind of like those plushy seals that I ordered.
Oh, yeah?
Scrunched in face.
Oh, I should go get it. Hold on.
Thought it was going to be huge. It's a little tiny thing. Yeah, that thing's hot already. Oh, the fennels?
No, those are, fiddleheads.
Oh, shit.
From ferns.
Ferns.
Yeah.
You need some,
So,
eat some weed.
They were actually found out in the bushes here in Fort McMurray. Yeah,
Definitely
people.
poison.
People, they go into the woods here and they forage for stuff like mushrooms and booze and a whole bunch of other stuff. Anyway, did you tell them about the seal?
Yeah.
So Robby ordered 2 seals. They were delivered here, right?
Yep.
And so anyway, he's like, you told me to open it, right?
Yeah.
And then he's like talking about these amazing seals and how awesome they are, and he's asked me if I like it and everything like that. And he's like, well, where did you put it? And I said I put it on the chair beside the little sloth that I have. And he's like, there's room? Because you thought it was.
You guys thought it wasn't cast iron?
Mother.
It was like glass or something.
I was sold that. Under the impression that it was cast iron. Okay, you guys, we're back. Well, that was a bit traumatizing. And we are starting again. So this is a cast iron frying pan. So let's get this on the go.
It's like, why did I put these on? Shit explodes when I come over.
Oh my god. Okay, so what we have today. So we have fiddleheads here that came right from Fort McMurray from the woods. And over here, babe, you want to show them what we have? It's corn and stretchy mozzarella cheese.
Wow.
Yes. Oh my god. And the little crock pot I picked up from someplace that had a good deal.
Corn and cheese, can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong. And I had a little bit of butter too. So the seal that we were talking about is right here.
Not so huge as I thought it was going to be.
So cute. So yeah, he's saying, well, how does it sit on the chair? Anyway, so cute. All right, so once this is warmed up, we'll put just a little bit of butter in, and then we'll throw the steak in. The steak looks pretty close to the size of the pan. Good enough.
I feel like the pan will survive.
This is a good one. Let's check the bottom. Okay, so the bottom is black like the top. The other ones, you guys, I have a second pan, just like the last one, and the bottom part was white. You can see it was just ceramic. What a scam! Anyway, yes. And all we're going to use on this meat is salt and pepper. Actually, I was just going to use salt, but Robby and I both like salt and pepper, so we're going to do peppercorn mix, pure Himalayan sea salt. Yum.
I'm trying to use pepper differently now. I use it after I'm done cooking. I put the pepper on instead of during, because
yeah?
you can burn pepper.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. So do you want me to just use the...
No, it's fine.
Are you sure? Because I don't mind.
No, just I've been cooking stuff at like 500 Fahrenheit.
Oh.
And I think like 10 minutes at like 400 will burn pepper.
Really? Oh, see? These things I don't know because I'm not a chef.
Burnt pepper is actually gross.
Is it? Mm. Oh, okay. Anytime I fry anything like in the frying pan or whatever, and like pepper, any kind of peppers, man, I start choking up and coughing. So it's starting to, you can see that it's starting to smoke. So it's definitely hot enough. So let's get the steak on. Oh, yeah. Yeah, put some butter, please.
There's no glass on anything.
No, babe, let me see.
What?
Let me take a... Man, you guys, that explosion scared the shit out of me. Did it scare shit out of you?
Yeah, it was a surprise for sure.
It's going to be funny when I rewind the video and I see the expression on both of our faces. Holy frig.
Shit popped.
Okay, let's get it on. Here we go. Here's that big, beautiful fatty side. Oh yeah. And that is what you want to hear when you're cooking your meat.
I started a timer anyways. I don't
Yeah.
know.
So what is it? 4 minutes on each side?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Not even?
Let's say maybe like a minute and a half.
Yeah?
Well, I would see what it looked like after a minute and a half and flip it.
Okay.
It might be hot. You want it hot though.
Yes. Make it a little hotter.
Burn.
Okay. Let's put some spice.
Back.
Some spice. You're supposed to put lots of salt on this, on meat. There we go.
Put a lot of salt on meat.
Yes. And we have plates after, and we're going to put some salt on the side. I got fancy little plates, a separate little area just for sauces or whatever. So then we can dip it ourselves if we want.
You ever tried steak with wasabi?
Wasabi.
Yeah.
Did you know that
It's
was...
Wagyu beef. You gotta have wasabi.
I got wasabi? Okay, I'll go get it. But did you know that wasabi is made like with kind of horseradish stuff? Like the real wasabi is made with horseradish, but the fake stuff is not. But it still has a kick. But
I don't think the real wasabi. I think it's just like a root.
horseradish is a root.
No, but the wasabi is too. Like.
Yeah, but wasabi comes from the horseradish root. That's what I'm saying.
Oh.
Yeah. So at a steak place called the Keg, they're... I think I'm out of gas. Oh my God! Oh, the luck today is just ridiculous. Ridiculous. Okay, hold on. Balls. It's okay. We got a little bit of time. So today you guys are bringing the cats to go get shaved. They're both going to be looking like lions today.
Rawr.
How's
Poor
Squanchy?
ass cats.
How's Squanchy?
He's good. Squanchy's good. He's just chilling.
What kind of breed is Squanchy?
Squanchy's a munchkin.
Munchkin. He's got little tiny legs, a long body, and a long tail. And his belly, if you get too big, it drains on the floor. And he's all black.
Ooh, wiener dog.
He's so cute. Yes, wiener dog. Yeah, wiener cat.
Wiener dog cat.
Do we have more butter again? Speaking of cat.
Wouldn't bother.
Hi, Monty. You think it's hot enough? I'm seeing the waves in the air.
Not really much smoke though. Usually.
But the butter's on there now, so it might be different, right? Waves means
go for
heat.
it.
Yeah? Okay.
Do it.
Let's see.
Do it.
Oh, yep. You should have it open the window. Come on, open the window. Oh!
Looking good.
You think it's done? Should we flip it over?
Oh, flip it.
Oh, yeah. That is a perfect size for the steak, eh?
That's pretty much.
Yeah. Oh, it's melted, eh?
No. Oh, it's
I'm
not.
gonna add a little bit more seasoning.
Wait. Let me just put a little bit of butter on.
Eh.
Season it, stick to it a little better.
Okay.
Woo! What the fuck is that? That thing's hot.
Look, smoky in here.
Meat. I think we should cut it like you do in Japanese restaurants and flip it like up. So
Like this?
like we cut it into strips.
Yeah.
Then flip, like turn all the strips so they can
Frying a little bit on both sides?
yeah.
Oh, okay. Do you want to do it here and then we do this? Over here?
Quick. Turn it back.
Oh my god.
I turned it down a little bit.
Did you?
Yeah.
Turn it down a little bit more. Good thing there's no smoky picture in here. Should I go this way?
Yeah. Just,
Yeah? Okay. Oh, that looks nice.
meat.
Meat.
Oh, you're getting smoky. You're getting real smoky there.
Oh my god, I can't wait to have some. There we go.
Fuck it.
All right.
Always use a little bit more butter. Shit. Fuck it. More butter.
Oh my god, babe.
That's why I use avocado oil. It has a really high smoke point.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Damn.
Right, slap her on there.
Okay.
Wow.
I'm gonna try to cook up that a little bit more. That's a lot of smoke. we won't fry it like this too much though, eh? Just a little bit.
Don't turn into a Korean barbecue now or something.
Okay, I don't want it done too much, so let's take it off and like. Okay, this one is done. This one's done. Come on, do it.
Yep. That'll look good now.
Okay.
Good.
Holy crap. Okay, so hang on. Oh my god, I can see like a wave of smoke. Okay, I'm just gonna take it off.
Hey, clouds, bro. Cloud. Meat. Turned out good.
It's smokier over here. Okay. Should I get? We can still use a knife if you want to chop some more, yeah?
Oh, like chop it up?
Yeah. Okay, you guys, so we're back. Man, fire alarm went off twice. The smoke is still in the room. We had to come to the kitchen, you guys, because it's freaking ridiculous.
I should have worn more PPE.
So I do have the Himalayan sea salt right here, and Robby has some of the wasabi there.
And
Yeah. And where's the wasabi? You put it back in the fridge?
no, it's right there.
Okay, I'll get some. Okay, so I'll try it.
Wasabi.
Yeah. Do you want some more?
They turned out good. They're not like overcooked.
Oh, that looks good. Should have showed you the camera.
I can chop yours up.
That's okay. I'll do it.
Sure.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to get some kind of a picture or something showing how yummy this is. Okay, you want to grab a piece? Your like best piece? I'm gonna dip mine into a bit of salt.
That's good.
I got a great big one. But I got a little dab of salt on it for me. Yeah?
Bad on that.
Oh, okay. Sure, why not?
Meat.
Meat. Meat.
Ching.
Ching ching.
Mm.
Oh my god. It's like falling apart now. Oh.
Damn.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, so we never got time to cook these. I'm gonna fry them up for something else. But let's try the corn too.
Need a little bit more. Just another little piece. Awesome.
I'm gonna get a little piece too. Oh, that fat in there too. It's just so worth it.
That's awesome.
Wonderful.
I think I could do just like a full steak of just that fat. God, I don't want much of this. I think I can eat much of that. Alright. Oh fuck.
Should have kept it plugged in.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh well.
Ooh, ooh. There you go. Ooh.
Thank you. I'll cut the cheese.
These gotta stay pretty warm. Yeah. I'm trying with the cheese.
Oh. Okay. Cheese and corn.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait. You're all fancied up. See, I'm slow. I'm slacking.
Yeah.
Okay. You know, go ahead.
I definitely am going to be eating steak with wasabi from now on.
Yeah?
I think so.
I think this could be my last meal. I keep wondering, like, if I had a last meal or whatever, what would it be? I think I could handle this. This is really good. Oh, it looks so good. Look at that, you guys.
Expensive ass steak though. But it's so tender. Fatty.
And where's all the fire alarms? Nice egg. Hey, are you watching Matthew Posa's camping videos? No? So he's the guy I aspire to for my camping videos. And there's his intro. He has all kinds of stuff, like walking through the woods and through mud and all kinds of stuff. And another one was, he had this big, huge chunk of meat. I think it might have been like hamburger meat or pork or something mixed up. And then he wrapped it around the stick and put it over the fire, and he was like turning it. And he says, meat. Just like what you do. Meat.
The last piece I had wasn't even like part with fat on it, but it was like the fattiest one I think I had a bite of.
Oh yeah?
This one's probably like really.
Really fatty. Look, this one got another thing of fat. I'm trying to say. This is nice. So you guys, right now,
the studio's still covered full of smoke. Every time I would open the door to try to get rid of the smoke, the alarm would go off. So I had to keep the door shut and the window open in there. And then I've got the 2 doors to the house open so the wind can go through, and I got a big fan on. The living room windows are open, the kitchen window's open, bathroom window's open. How you doing?
I'm full, but I'm just gonna eat.
I have to choose. It's tough to choose.
okay, how about we both have our last bite? Sound good?
Okay.
Okay.
You can see the fat all within it.
Oh, put that one close up. Put that one close up. Hide your face.
You want a little bit extra salt on this one. You don't need much.
No, you don't. I'm gonna lay in sea salt, you guys. Has such great flavor for the little tiny amount that you use. I salt it full of vitamins and minerals. Really good for that. Okay, I'll make it full too. Well, we got leftovers. Okay, I'll finish my corn.
God damn, that's good meat. I'm surprised we actually cooked it good too.
There was so much smoke.
Like, oh, no, never mind.
Okay, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so you know when we were messaging each other and you were saying about A5 Wagyu? So I was just looking it up. That's even more expensive than this stuff. Yeah. So if I can get my hands on it, I'm probably gonna try it eventually down the road sometime.
I don't think I needed any more fatty.
It was perfect fat?
I think so.
Yeah. Those oh my god, those A5 ones, you guys, it looks like more fat than meat. Yeah.
The marbling's pretty crazy on those.
Okay, that's it. Anything you want to say?
Schnoogans.
What?
Schnoogans.
What's that mean?
It's kind of like Snoochie Boochie.
What's smoochy woochy?
Snoochie Boochie.
Is this sex thing? Okay. Smoochy smoochy. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Whoa, wait, you're going to do that with me.
What?
When I say bye, guys, and then I go, woo, like that. No. Woo. Woo. Yeah, okay. Ready? Okay. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Bye. Woo.